In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to your GoDaddy website for 2024. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, making it simple to integrate PayPal on your GoDaddy site. Whether you're setting up an online store or just want to give customers more flexibility in payments, linking PayPal to your website can be a game changer, and here's how you can do it. Let's start by navigating to the GoDaddy website. Once you're there, you'll want to head over to the domain names, websites, hosting and online marketing tools section. This is essentially your dashboard where you'll find everything you need related to your GoDaddy services. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's where you'll manage your websites and other GoDaddy functionalities. Next, you'll proceed to the products section. This is typically located under your account menu. The products section lists all your purchase services and subscriptions with GoDaddy. It's the hub for managing your domains and website hosting services. Clicking here will provide you with a clearer view of the different products you may have purchased over time. Now click on the specific website you want to edit. This action will open up more custom options tailored to that particular site. It's important to ensure that you're working on the correct website, especially if you manage multiple sites, to avoid any mix-ups. Once you've accessed your website's dashboard, look for the option to Edit Website. Usually this button is quite prominently displayed, allowing you to manage and customize your site's appearance and functionality seamlessly. Click on this and you'll enter the website editor page. In the website editor, you'll want to add a new section. Look for an Add Section button. This feature allows you to introduce new functionalities and design elements to your website, enhancing its usability and aesthetic. Choosing the right sections can vastly improve user experience. In the search bar of the section menu, simply type PayPal. Doing this helps in filtering out unnecessary options and directs you to the precise feature you need. You'll see a PayPal button appear among the list of potential sections you can add. With the PayPal button visible, go ahead and click on it. This will start the process of integrating a payment button that connects to your PayPal account, allowing visitors to make payments directly through your site with ease. Finally, click Add. By doing this, the PayPal payment button is integrated onto your web page. Adjust its placement to where you think it works best, maybe on a checkout page or a product page, depending on your site's needs. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully linked PayPal to your GoDaddy website. This not only broadens your payment options, but can also contribute to increased sales and customer satisfaction. Feel free to customize the look and feel of your PayPal button to match the aesthetics of your site. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your website.